All right, y'all, welcome back. If you are someone who is tired of trying to constantly create free summits, webinars, workshops, or relying on social media and our paid advertising to grow your business, then stay tuned because in this video, we're going to be touching on how to generate free traffic to your business 24/7 without using social media or paid ads. The reality is we don't actually have to rely on things like constantly posting on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, or spending thousands and thousands and thousands on ads in order to build traffic to our business. The real solution is actually really simple and only requires three main things. Number one, you need a website. It doesn't matter what kind of business you are, whether you have a brick and mortar, your digital business, or anything else. Having a website is the digital home for your business. Brick and mortars might be able to more easily relate to this in the sense that the foot traffic you get based on your location is a big part of what drives traffic and our customers. Your website is like your digital store. It's the digital footprint that you have on the internet that is available to the entire world. So not only are you able to get traffic coming to you from the people who are local to you, but you're now able to get traffic from everybody on the web who is searching for what you do. Once you have a website set up, the biggest thing to understand here is you don't need anything complicated. Keep it simple, especially when you're getting started, and start with just a homepage and the blog. I'll explain why in just a moment. The blog that you're going to have on your site is a big part of your traffic generation source because it's using what we call search engine optimization or SEO marketing. Sounds really techy, but it's a really simple term that essentially means you're getting found for what people are searching for. This means that when you go into Google and you're looking for the best place to go on a vacation, people are creating content that's going to be showing up for you. Everything that you see on Google, whether it's on the first page or the last page, is intentionally there. So what you want to understand as a business owner is you want to be creating content that you know your users are searching for. If you want a quick lesson on what SEO marketing actually is, be sure to check out previous videos here and here so you can get a better understanding. Once you have a website and a blog, the final thing that you need as a bare minimum to build your business and build your traffic generating machine is a Google business profile or a Google business page. These are the same thing, slightly different names, just because of the way Google changed its branding. Your Google business profile or Google business page can be seen in demonstrating how to set it up here, as well as just understanding this is a way for you to build local SEO, meaning you can get found by people locally looking for services and our products like yours in their area. A great example of this might be somebody who is currently looking for an SEO marketing agency in San Diego. If I have a business and a Google business profile page that is located in San Diego, even if we don't have a physical office, we're able to rank and show up on the Google map because of the Google business profile page we created. With just these three things, you don't actually need to have any of the fancy tech. You don't need to be creating constant videos on YouTube. You don't have to be creating reels on TikTok or Instagram. Instead, you can focus on creating quality content that ranks based on keyword research. Now, obviously, we can't get too in depth on all of these topics in just this short video, but I hope that this is giving you a quick introduction into what's possible and understanding how you can use things like search to build traffic to your site where people are consistently searching for what you do, finding you online, and the longer that you continue to create great content, the more people find you, the more that you're going to build your business. All of this is done without ever spending a dime on paid advertising, and the best part, you don't have to live on social. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to click the subscribe button down below. As always, please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have additional questions, comment so that we can answer any of those inside of our future topics. If you're looking for more training and in-depth videos on SEO marketing, please feel free to explore the entirety of our channel. We continue to create weekly regular videos to support business owners in transitioning off of social media and over to SEO marketing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.